test of the emergency alert system is about to be underway. Please be aware this is only a test and is not to The following message is transmitted to all channels in America and Sydney, Australia at the request of the Department of Civil Authority Safety, or the EAS. The name has not been confirmed, but the name is confirmed to be as told. This is an emergency warning to all those that have access to a channel such as this one. Channels in Pennsylvania, Michigan, Chicago, Indiana, and the area where this is broadcast appear to have transmission errors that lead to the entire league not being able to air anything due to an unexplained reason, possibly a hijack. If you lose a text file called schedule, and then your EAS test file, you will be next to be airless for a week. So far in Channel 24, Sectors A, B, C, and D are failing, and we have not heard from them for a few hours. Power failure at their stations have caused a few issues at other locations, causing them to also shut down some electricity supplies at home. The current threat level is important advice, meaning that this is a dangerous situation, meaning you should take this warning seriously, as it is true. Please make sure you have a battery-powered radio, considering that batteries will not be affected by this electrical shutdown. We're unsure if this will affect Channel 7, 9, 1 as severely, considering they have 10 sectors instead of the usual 4 to 6. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Staying outside may cause you to be unaware of location. This station will now shut down, to avoid any further incidents. The next regularly scheduled programming on Channel 7, 9, 1 digital and analog will be at the 21st of November, 2015, with paid programming at 3 p.m. Possibly 6 a.m., if we are lucky enough to go back on air. To any other station viewing this, please do not turn on your satellite services on your station, as you may be blocked from airing permanently. Do not go outside. I repeat, stay in your shelters. This concludes the emergency alert system. Remember, this is not a test anymore. There is going to be a blackout for us. Please pray for us all. Good night.